In this tutorial, we're going to install IntelliJ 2023.2.2. Let's go to IntelliJ website. I'm going to download Community Editions. .exe. It will take about a few minutes. Let's install it. Here, install anyway. You may see this screen on Windows 11. Okay, next. Here, next. I will create desktop shortcuts. Next. Install. Finish. Let me quickly demonstrate how to use IntelliJ to create a JavaFX project, new project. Make sure you select JavaFX. Build system, I will use Maven and JDK 21. I will not select any dependencies. Okay, the first time you see your project demo on the source directory. On the JavaFX application, you may have a multiple source code, include fxml, 2 Java sources, and then module info. Let's build project. And then you can run your project. When you click, it's going to say welcome to JavaFX application. So this is how we can launch application. If you look at Hello Controller Java, let's change to JavaFX 21 application. Let's build project. This time when you run your project, it will say edit configurations. So let's add new run configuration application. You can name it as a app or hello application, up to you. Then make sure you select hello application Java as a main. And then apply, run it. So you're still building Maven project, then you can launch your application. So let's have a look about, as you can see, IntelliJ 2023.2.2. And if you go to File, Project Structure, as you can see, I'm using JDK 21, which is LTS. Okay, build happen to be Maven. Okay, that's all. Thank you.